Hi, I'm Danny from Sky Music Hub, and today we're going to do a bit of singing. Today we're going to learn an American sea shanty called Shenandoah. It's a song about a Native American chieftain's daughter, which makes a load of references to the natural world. We know how important our natural world is to us, and how precious and how fragile it is. It's really important for our physical and emotional health to get outside and engage with our natural world. Hopefully this song makes some suggestions why it's important. First though, it's time to warm up. The song we're learning today has lots of lush, long phrases, so our breathing is going to be really important. Breathing can be helpful in lots of other ways aside from singing. It can wake us up, it can help us to focus, energise our bodies, and it can calm us down. If you're feeling frustrated or anxious or annoyed, just try some of these exercises and see if they help. The first thing I'd like you to do is just some long, slow breaths, which should help make you feel a bit calmer. Try it with me. And again. Just concentrating on your breath helps you to forget all the other frustrating or annoying things that are going on. Try this a few times if you find it's helping you. Next, I'd like to really see if we can extend your breaths. So this time, take a long breath in through your mouth and we're going to hiss out. Let's see if you can hiss out at first for 8 seconds. Are you ready? Did you manage it? Let's try a bit longer this time. Let's see if you can make your breath last for 15 seconds. Off we go. Did you get all the way up to 15? You could pause the video here and try this again and maybe time yourself. See what your record is for hissing out. This is all helping to make your lungs be ready to sing these long phrases. Next, the next breathing activity we're going to do is going to help to warm up our faces. So when you breathe in this time, you're going to make this noise afterwards. Until your breath runs out. Off we go. And again. Excellent. And we'll add one more element. This time breathe in, make the same sound, but with a note going up and down. So it should sound like this. This exercise is really helping to warm up your throat as well as the part of your face we've just been talking about. Off we go. Try and make your voice go as high as you can and as low as you can. One last go. Brilliant. We should be ready to sing lots of nice long phrases now. Okay, let's start to learn the song. First of all, I'm going to sing you 2 verses. Then afterwards, I'll start to teach you one line at a time. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Away, you rolling river. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Away, I'm bound to go. cross the wide Missouri. O Shenandoah, I took a notion, away, you rolling river, to sail across the shining ocean. Away, I'm bound to go, cross the wide Missouri. It's a really lovely song. Okay, now it's your turn. First of all, I'm going to sing you a phrase and then you sing it back to me like an echo. My go, then your go. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Away, you rolling river. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Away, I'm bound to go, cross the wide Missouri. Excellent. This time, I'm going to sing slightly longer phrases and you sing them back to me. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Away, you rolling river. You go. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Away, we're bound to go, cross the wide Missouri. Oh, Shenandoah, away, cross the wide. Fantastic. Let's see if we can sing a whole verse together. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Away, you rolling river. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Away, we're bound to go, cross the wide Missouri. Excellent. As we discussed before, some of those phrases are really long, so in the gaps you need to make sure you take in a nice full breath so you've got enough energy to get right the way through the long phrases. Let's have a quick go at verse 2. My go, then your go. Oh, Shenandoah, I took a notion. Your go. Oh, Shenandoah. Away, you rolling river. To sail across the shining ocean. Away, we're bound to go, cross the wide Missouri. Away, cross the wide. Excellent, well done. Let's try singing all of that together, verse 1 and verse 2. Remember, really big deep breaths before each of those long phrases. See as well in this performance if you can really bring out the words. Some lovely words to sing are to sail across the shining ocean. See if you can get the S's and the sh sounds to really ping. Off we go from the beginning. Oh Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Away, you rolling river. Oh Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Away, we're bound to go, cross the wide Missouri. Oh Shenandoah, I took a notion. Away, you rolling river, to sail across the shining ocean. Away, we're bound to go, cross the wide Missouri. I've really enjoyed singing with you again today. I'd just like to leave you with one last thought about something you might do after this session is over. In the next week or so, try to write a poem or draw a picture about something that you see in the natural world. That might just be from your garden, a bird or an insect. It could be something you see in a local park, or maybe even something you've seen on a holiday you've been on in the past. It could be a tree, or an ocean, or a forest, a mountain, a stream, anything really. If you can't quite find time to do that, maybe you can make it a task of yours to go out for a walk in a local park with some family, either your mum and dad or your grandparents, whoever it might be. Also, I'd like you to remember what we did at the start of the session with our breathing. So if you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed at any point, frustrated or anxious, just try taking in big deep breaths and breathing out nice and slowly. It just gives your brain some space. Hope you have fun singing. See you again. Thanks so much for engaging with our video and maybe even joining in yourselves. We'd love to see what your young people have been up to, so please feel free to send us any pictures or videos to our Twitter page, which is in the description below, along with 1 or 2 resources which you might find helpful. Please use the hashtag getintune.